Alright, so let's see how to change the filter and the cabin filter from this Hyundai in under 1 minute. The intake air filter housing is located right on top of the engine, so you just have to pop off these clips, take out the cover. With a paper towel, clean up very well inside the air filter housing, install the new filter on and seal the cover. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Take out your stuff. You have to twist these two clips and the glove box lowers like that. You gotta press on these two clips again, like that. And now you can basically pull out the filter, which has a lot of dirt. After you clean it up very well here, install the new filter on. And the job is done. Alright, that was it. Check out the other videos I made about this car. And until next time, stay tuned and I will see you soon.